So Adam, what are we doing today?
We are doing axles in the Jeep. We just put wheel bearings in, but after our little trip, I knew everything was worn out, so put new U-joints in, and we had the chromoly axles, so why not throw those in?
So yeah, specifically that the U-joints are just getting wiped.
Yeah.
So why not, since you happen to have...
Yeah, this is someone else's toy and it was abused, so why not fix it, right?
Right. You guys saw this one on the previous video. This is the 96 two-door.
And I've been at this for like 10 minutes, so it shows you how fast you can get an axle out.
Right.
Wheels were off, but other than that, so just a lot of play, a lot of noise, washed out bearings.
Getting ready to go, but not quite there yet.
Yep, and the issue is when this is getting tight and binding, it's putting stress on this and on these, so you'll end up breaking something worse. All right, punches and Mateo. And the seals wore out, so hopefully we're just gonna make up that spacing.
Yeah.
It's a spring seal anyway, so it's just gonna taper.
Right.
That's how that works.
Oh, and those are brand new axles, so these ones are going to be worn down even if it's only by thousandths. If you gain like 5 thousandths out of the deal, that might be enough to pick.
Maybe. I'd like $1 million, but you know.
Well, let's start with a hook pick.
All right, hook pick it is.
What do you like to do? Screw, play chess.
Take that.
Well, let's play chess. Great, it'll never grease again.
Not a pry bar.
Works.
I love balancing acts, don't you? Oh.
Or did it blow out? It blew through it, didn't it?
It blew. You
did, right? No. So, yeah, she was a little dry. I think that's like an imaginary thing people do.
Watch your profanity. What do you see? I might have to go smaller socket to fit the inside of.
I don't know. So yeah, that other cap is stuck, so all you're doing is you're pushing the cross down, so see what you can get out of it.
Is it moving?
Looks like, yes. Well, that one moved both ways, so see how that it's actually recessed now, the outer case, so you have a chance of getting that one out. You're a good man for trying to skeletal first. It's moving, easy. Just bottomed out on the yoke. So it sucks, it can't put, you need to push the cap out, but you don't have a cap to push out anymore. What you could do, so there's a super secret squirrel trick. We got it, you weld the,
I'm just gonna cut it with a torch.
Okay.
Well, I got a torch goggle.
Torch monocle.
I got a monocle, yeah.
It's pot metal, so it's gonna suck, but you can melt it out.
Is that it?
shouldn't. Oh, you should have left it on. Burn out the.
Oh, those are gonna that's gonna tap out. Once I can see.
He said right before it didn't.
Yep.
I believe you.
I got
Right down here.
wherever you have a good flat spot.
Where can you swing from? Ah! Is that funny, Daddy?
Hay daddies don't do good on the
Not hay
on the hot
fathers.
metals.
Noel works in Crocs, so
Oh,
you're
that's
one
true.
step above him.
Have you seen my socks?
Hi.
They've got perfect Croc spots in them everywhere.
That's awesome.
I got left arm tan from our weekend adventures. I need a hat.
Oh, it is right there. Here.
Oh, it was when I monocled. Here, I'll put those back because then
I'm pretty sure there's salsa in one of those eyepieces.
salsa.
I went up there to get something a while back and I dropped my salsa while eating my burrito. So maybe I put that in there. There's gonna be a pepper seed in there and it's gonna land right in somebody's eye.
Yeah, I bought
Look right there.
Oh, so you're just gonna borrow the cat, right?
Yeah. This sucks. Oh, what do I owe you?
Nothing.
Lies.
You know how it is around here. The balance is out. I'll call for a part one of these days. When we're gonna-
Okay, what do I owe you for the gas then?
What gas?
Torch bottles.
Oh, buy the next crate of brake clean. We'll call it square.
Alright, I'm buying like two when I get paid 2 crates of.
It was $100 for both bottles. It was actually not bad.
How you want to do is I'm just here to hold it for you, man. You tell me what you want.
Oh god. Well, that was holding it all together.
Well, you gotta take it all apart to get this on here, don't you?
Nope.
Ouch, kabibble.
What'd you do? Tell everybody what you did. Go ahead.
Nope.
Go ahead. What was that? What was that right there that's still wiggling on the ground?
It's hot.
Is it?
Words.
Is it hot? I don't want to say anything. I'm gonna cry if I do.
Honestly, we'll keep this U-joint because we can throw an old cap on it if someone actually.
Well, the tripod's gonna get-
I have another one. Not the shoes for torching.
Fine. Fine. Hissing.
Oh.
I thought it was the propane ball.
Beautiful.
I was gonna say that. You had it figured out.
I need a smack.
Where you want to smack it at?
Oh, just the shaft down. Right here.
Okay.
Does that go in?
One. All right, Adam, you did well. This is new U-joint. This thing's gonna go back in. How do you feel?
Well, didn't get the chrome ollie axles, but you know, it'll do.
That'll do, pig.
It'll do till the next time it breaks, right?
Right. This is in.
If you're doing
Me too.
one of these, dust cover goes to the front, just so you know the meat of it. There.
Yep. Yeah, no, the idea will get maybe some 35s.
I think with how far the bumper is away now,
Yeah.
I think 35s would suit it really nicely. I mean, honestly, I guess the Nissan will roll it up next to, or I guess that those are 35s. So if you want to see what it would look like,
Oh yeah.
brake. Make sure you put your rotor on before you put anything else on. And then before you do your wheel spacer, it's good to do the axle nut. You can get to the cotter pin a little easier. Make sure you use impact grade sockets too.
Yeah, that's not chrome. It just looks chrome.
Click. Just beat up your concrete.
That's fine.
There you go. Just gonna do it now.
does not do the same thing?
Yeah, cast aluminum for some reason just. I'd say a big thing is if you think you can't afford off-roading, I'm in this, title, or tags, title and all that, Jeep. I'm in a U-joint, what else?
You had to buy
I
them.
would say $3,000 and I'm out off-roading.
Yeah.
Does it need stuff?
The short
Absolutely.
shift kit
The short shift kit, that was 20, so yeah, about 3,000.
and a locker.
In the locker.
Yeah, so you're still under 3. Yeah.
Under 3,
For
actually.
a lockered Jeep.
Yep. So, if you don't think you can afford it, you most likely probably can. Just slowly build it too. Click, click.
I like it.
That's it, guys.
At least until tomorrow.
Yeah.
For us, it'll be a whole bunch of hours, but for you, it's going to feel like. Hello again, Adam. It is the next morning.
Yep.
Other side.
Other side.
And these tires were like slightly okay, Mike?
Yeah, the ones on this, they were almost new.
Must be nice. Like, these are the tail lights that go on the Jeep.
I know, but they look like trailer lights. They're the same ones as the trailer.
Hardly that bad.
Sound pretty wobbly too.
No, but it's dry. So dry.
Smells like cat piss.
Oh, I don't like that smell. Oh, this thing is fucked. Alright, hammers and punches.
They do. But I think that is something we need to worry about.
Okay. Good call. Here's one. I need both of them again. I was like, don't I only need half? But no.
Do we know what's wrong with your wind?
Nothing definite right now.
Nothing, yes.
But it's not working.
It is not working. It's violent.
It wasn't supposed to make noise.
That's probably it, huh?
There used to be that little baby can. It's empty now.
Oh, it is?
I was on its last leg when I grabbed it, and but
Guess I'm torching it out, huh?
mm-hmm.
Spicy rocks.
I probably have a punch that size too, but it's fine.
Alright, we're there.
Sockets over yonder way.
No, the socket.
Okay.
180. Nice.
Might not have spread ears on this one.
Sweet.
That one needs more torsion, huh?
What is it? How did we do it last time? Like so?
I think so. I think we had it bit in the pipe wrench side, I think.
Oh, did we? Hot. Alright. Pretty smooth, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll hold up pressure.
Okay.
This is
A little bit of prep work
nice.
goes a long ways.
Nice. Oh,
Nope, I'm gonna put it on there still. Just there we go. Oh, shit.
oh.
It's so wobbly. Okay.
You
A little more?
Nope, actually, I think that, yeah. There it is. Thanks for the help.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, help.
Bueno.
That's $270, sir. You should do that to the next person. Hey, thanks for the help. Help! I'm giving you a bill.
Yeah.
What?
You're welcome. Here you go. Wait, what?
Don't worry, I take payments.
Where's my phone up here recording? What time is it?
Good talk. Earplugs.
Hey, wife. What time is it?
4:39.
Yep. Nice file.
Yeah, that came with that kit my uncle gave me.
Oh,
That was nice of him.
that's nice. That's a nice guy. You should appreciate him more.
Right. Just stop calling him gay when he's not around, and when he is around, and to his face. Just probably stop calling him gay altogether.
All right. Back to reinstall, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, I don't like the wheels, but these tires don't do too bad.
No, they're well,
A little stiff for my liking.
I like the pattern on them. Yeah, they just have a little bit of sidewall.
Good. Happy Jeep noises.